Hi everyone, welcome back to Vacuum Garage. So today I have a vacuum I bought off of eBay. It just came today. I haven't unboxed it yet, so I thought I'd do that. You can take a look at it. As you can see, it looks like the box is kind of almost like a homemade box. So that's always really reassuring when you buy something off eBay and it comes in a homemade box. So we're going to hope that everything is still intact inside. But to give you a hint, it's a vintage Hoover. I like vintage Hoovers, and when I saw this, I decided to get it. This is a model. People say this is pretty common, but I've never seen any in my area, so it's definitely not common around here. Maybe it's common in Ohio, but not where I'm at. There's plenty of packing tape on here, but I can hear something rattling around inside the box, so I'm hoping nothing's broken up too bad. Not much packing material in there. Wow. You know, you always hope that people will package something really well, but a little dusty. I don't see anything too smashed up. Anyway, yeah, it's a Hoover model 115. The listing showed that it had a broken wheel, so I already knew about that. But luckily, it looks like it's still relatively intact. Wow, that is one dusty bag, though. Definitely needs a deep cleaning. Yeah, I've never even had one of these before, so this is all new to me. The bearings feel tight, so at least the armature's not just flopping around. That looks okay. It's kind of a unique little Hoover. Wonder where this clip goes. I've had many different vintage Hoovers, but I've never had one of the junior styles. But the good news is, looks like it does have the original plug end. I couldn't see from the listing photos if it had the original cord really, but it looks like it does. So that's good. I might have to come back with a screwdriver to put that together, but I'm just going to vacuum off the bag real quick and grab a screwdriver, and then we'll be back. Alright, well, I got the handle on, and I vacuumed off the bag a little bit because it was very filthy. But oddly, it seems to be missing the bag spring. I looked in the box, and it's nowhere to be seen. And it did show it in the listing, so I'm not sure exactly what happened to that. Maybe I'll have to ask the seller, but other than that, it looks like it survived shipping, which is good. But let's power this thing on and see if it even runs. The listing said that it did run. Well, looks like the belt fell off. Well, I'll leave that off for now. Sounds like the bearings are a little bit dry, but runs pretty good, so that's good news. You never know when you're buying something from eBay. Yeah, kind of a cool little vacuum. I'll do some test videos with this once I get it serviced and new belt on it. Looks like everything's in pretty good shape. It's very dirty. Brush strips are pretty worn down. Might have to figure out something with that, but kind of a cool one for the collection anyway. it is quite a bit cleaner now. I still need to pick up some of these belts for it because I don't have any that fit. I was hoping a Hoover convertible belt would work just for some testing, but they're too big. And I did get that spring replaced. I contacted the seller. He didn't really have any solution. He just said it was in the box when he sent it, but I think it just slipped out one of the cracks where there wasn't any tape. But what I did was I had an extra Hoover convertible spring and I just painted that brown, and it ended up matching pretty well. But kind of a cool vacuum. When I get the belts, I'll do some test videos on this. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.